On the Cartesian grid below, we want to plot the points that we're given here. So let's plot them. -4, -7 is just here. -2, -3 is here. 0, 1. Then we have 2, 5. And we have 4, 9. Can you draw a straight line through the points? Well, the answer to that appears to be yes, I can draw a straight line through those points. When we do that, we should put arrows on either end, like so. Which equation do you think describes the set of points we've drawn? So, well, let's test each of those out. If we had y equals x, that would mean all of the y coordinates were equal to the x coordinates. Now, the first point I drew was -4, -7. The x and y coordinates here are not the same, so it can't be that. The next one is y equals 2x take away 1. So if I do 2 times -4 and take away 1, that would be -8 take 1, which is -9. Now my y coordinate there is not -9, so it's not going to be that one. The next one's y equals 2x plus 1. Well, that's going to work, isn't it? 2 times -4 add 1 would be -8 add 1, which is -7. So it works for that point, but does it work for another point, such as 2, 5? So we've got 2 times 2 add 1, 2 times x add 1. Well, that's going to be 4 add 1, which is 5, which is the correct y coordinate. So this one appears to work. Now let's just check that the others don't work. I'll go with this point 2, 5 here. So if I'm checking y equals 3x plus 1, I take the x coordinate, which is 2, multiply it by 3 and add 1. That gives me 7, so that doesn't work. And then y equals 7, well, we can see here that the y coordinate is not 7. As we've discussed, y equals 7 would be this line just here, where all the y coordinates are 7. So we can eliminate these bottom two, and it seems that y equals 2x plus 1 is the best choice. Now, something that's worth noting for future work here is that we chose y equals 2x plus 1. We can see where the line crosses the y-axis. It crosses it at 1. And that's this part of this equation, which is called the y-intercept. If you go across 1 square, or 1 unit, you go up 2 units. And that's this 2 here, which is something called the gradient or slope of the line. So just something that you need to be aware of for future work.